Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add raw material after starting a production process. So first of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, so it might be possible that there come time once you go ahead and create a production process. After that, your team want to add any additional new raw material in your production process, not in the bill of material. So how you can do it in an ongoing production process. So this is one of my production process which I have created and currently is in pending stage. I will open this production process now. Please check. As you can see that I am on that level where I need to go ahead and issue the raw material or mark finished good produced. So at that stage, how you can add a new raw material. So on your right hand side, please check, you will get an option of edit RM. Click on this. Now after clicking on edit RM, you will get an option of add raw material row. Click on add raw material row, and then you need to select that which raw material need to be added. So as in my case, I will go ahead and just add this particular raw material. Quantity is 1, and then after I will click on save changes. Please check, once I clicked on save changes, this particular raw material got added in my production process. Accordingly, now I can go ahead and issue raw material, and the same can be issued for this item as well, which I have added. This item is not added in my bill of material, but now it is added in my production process. So you can very well go ahead and use this feature to add your consumables which you don't want to show in bill of material, but you can add it in production process and accordingly can consume it. I hope this video will be helpful to you while adding a new raw material in production process. Have a good day ahead.